This is the trading review for Tuesday, the 11th of July 2023, and I had a really good day with one trade and done. I wish I could have squeezed more out of it, but I didn't think I would break this level, so I just decided to end the day. And I was looking at AMD, Apple. Apple, I wanted to take a short at R3, but it made its move in the pre-market. And I could have been able to play an S3 reversal, but uh, but it wasn't nearly as clear. I also had Tesla at some point, but Tesla did not have anywhere near clear levels, so I avoided them. I guess Tesla, because it's trading within value, I could have taken a short at R1, especially at this signal. And so I'm learning that the 2 minute candles offers so much more valid signals than the 1 minute candle. So I'm incredibly happy because a doji, a hammer, those are definitely those definitely have some weight in it, and volume is, for me, is 1,000 times better to identify. But anyways, I was looking at Apple, it was trash, but AMD was also opening within value, and I was waiting for a test of this, or the edge of the value area to the top side, and then I wanted to take I guess it's this new strategy that I'm developing, which is kind of like the reaction of R3, but this will be instead the reaction of S3, especially because we're bullish. So it will be a failure to continue to go long, and instead I could take a shot at S3 or S2 in this case, which kind of worked. We failed to reach the edge of the top side of the previous of yesterday's value area, and we rejected. But this hammer was a bit this doji wasn't the best signal, but you can see we had a strong rejection, and I guess I should have entered at the engulfing, or at least engulfing of the 5 minute candle, but um, but it's okay. um, I still had the a very nice move, so I cannot complain. I waited for S4, and I avoided. I was very tempted to make an entry here, but I avoided it because I knew I had to wait for S4 to be tested as a resistance rather than support, and so I didn't get baited into this entry, which would have stopped me out if I had made an entry here with a 20-cent stop loss. So I waited. We form a doji here. I paid close attention for the doji, and as soon as it closed, I pulled the trigger with a stop loss of 20 cents, and just partial along the way. We dropped to 111 pretty fast. We tried to break value here, but we pulled back, and I was a bit scared that we will not cross value, but we did. We had a very bearish level 2, so that's beautiful. And then I partial another 2-hour increment here, just under the 110.75 stacks on the level 2, and I partial one more time and 110.20. Although it was a bit premature, but I think is one more hour here. I should have waited for 110.01, which will be 4 hour for the total of the day, but it was I didn't like this candle. uh, it's a lot of volume, and we threw a wick signaling support, and that started a pullback, and the 5 minute looked horrendous. A lot of buying pressure, and so I decided to get allowed as soon as this 5 minute candle closed, because I didn't wanna go under my daily goal. So I did that, and then immediately it tried to give another test again, threw out a beautiful buying signal, and it actually ran up to S4. And this also offered another opportunity to short with a stop loss 20 cents, but I was really done with the day, and I'm slowly building confidence in this system. So I'm not gonna just play around a lot and mess up with my consistency. So I'd rather keep consistency now and finish my day early. And so this was an S4 breakout. I'll call it a B trade. So this is a B trade, and we executed beautifully. It was bearish. We won, and we ended up making 3.4 R in total. So very easy day. We respected the rules. I did. I made best pre-market analysis yet. Focused on price action and executed in a timely manner, and I did not feel emotions, which is incredible. That's incredible. And of course, excellent quality trade, 100% execution, one trade, 1-0, and we ended up with a 3.4 R, which is wonderful. Nope, that's not orange, that's green. And very good start of the week, despite only having 2R yesterday, but it was pretty crazy. And I'm amazed at the beautiful signals that I'm noticing on the 2-minute candle, and these levels, these daily levels are just insane, and it does so much. It's so much better to just have clarity. So, but yeah, that's it for the trading review. I guess I need to do the stats here. It's a B trade. Nothing to complain about. I'm gonna move these stats all the way to here. And that's it for the trade.